everyone. I've been asked the question about setup in an instrument. So we're going to tackle that question today and let you know what is entitled in what we call setup. And be careful, because when you take your instrument to get a correct setup, you need to look for the following things. See ya. The materials that you use for a sound post can be very tricky and depend on the age of the instrument and the fabrication of the instrument, the kind of sound that you're trying to get. And setting it in the right position is tremendously important. Also, the material and the quality of the wood for a bridge. As you can see, there are many grades of it. Also, the tilt of that bridge and the orientation of the grain is tremendously important. The next thing is to make sure that you get the right curvature to that. The nut and the fingerboard has to be precisely scooped and gapped for your comfort of playing. Peg alignment and ease of turning is also crucial. The gap between your tailpiece and the bridge also very important. It's not just a string change. So next time you take your instrument for a setup, make sure you ask for the right questions. See you next time. Bye.